So this awesome, huge free streaming app has finally made its way to the Fire Stick or your Fire TV devices. It was already on Android, your mobile phones, and Apple, but it was not on the Fire Sticks or the Fire TV until a few days ago, obviously depending on when you're watching this video. It's great for your entertainment, it's great to keep you entertained, lots of content, lots of videos and streams to watch, and I will show you how to get it in a second. Before we do that though, if you are brand new here, do remember to hit that follow button. On this channel, we bring you everything streaming related, whether it's free streaming apps, whether it's tips, tricks, news, all on one channel. And we will keep you up to date with everything. So make sure you hit that follow button. Whichever platform you're watching on, hit that follow button. And come find me, Doc Squiffy, on YouTube. Okay, so what are we talking about today? So there's many streaming apps on your Fire Stick. Obviously, you get your Prime videos, your YouTube. You can look in your apps. There's Paramount Plus, Netflix, all those sort of things. But you will notice things like, obviously, YouTube. You will notice things like, I believe Twitch is on here now as well, things like that. But Kick has just arrived. And if you don't know who Kick are, they do sponsor a Red Bull. They do sponsor a Formula One team. They're linked with Stake, which is a gambling site. But actually, Kick is a streaming platform where you get all your streams you could be looking for. So there's tons of content, tons of categories, and on there you can watch anything from just people talking, slots casinos, Grand Theft Auto, Warzone. If you're into your streams, your gaming, all that sort of stuff, it's great to watch. So you can just click on anyone, you can click on them, and you can go and find them. You can obviously follow channels. There's tons of stuff in here. If anyone wants any suggestions on who to follow, I can try and point it out. I do have a channel, but I don't actually stream there myself. You can log in. I've logged in, so you get all your favourites as well and people you're following. They'll all appear as well. So you've got your following channels. They're all in there, not a problem, and you can see them and keep up to date with it. So it's very similar to Twitch. Mixer used to be the other one on Facebook Gaming, but obviously Kick is a very big platform these days, which everyone is going for. So how do you get Kick? Really easy, this one. So go to your Find, search, and type it in. It's suddenly arrived on the store a couple of days ago. So get Kick. It'll be down a little bit. There you go. You'll find it. It's so new. Obviously, I didn't want to open it. It's so new it doesn't even have any ratings yet. Okay, so we go more info. You'll see, here it is. Kick's a live streaming platform where creators kick it with their communities. Very similar to, like I said before, but it came out on 8th of December. Again, I don't know when you're watching this. You can have a look through all the little details, but I thought I'd bring it to your attention because a lot of people have been after this. And if you are into your streams, I like watching live streams. I probably watch more live streams than I do other TV. And having it on the TV or having it on your Fire Stick is really useful. So I thought I'd bring that one to your attention. Brilliant. Like I said, if you can, remember to hit that follow button. Quick word from one of our partners. As always, end of every video. If you're not interested, I understand if you leave the video now. It's not an issue, but we do have partners, so it helps us do what we do. If you are after a VPN, great offer on at the minute. I will link directly underneath for you as well. $2.19. Keep yourself safe. Open up those streaming apps. All there for you. Brilliant. So hit that follow button, whichever platform you're on. Hit subscribe. Come find me on YouTube. And I'll see you soon.